Good day, guys. This is your tutor engineer. Today we'll be doing grade 8 mathematics paper 2, the geometry of straight lines. So let's start with today's lesson. Determine the magnitude, size of the angles marked with letters. Okay, let's start with question 1. So here you'll recognize that these two angles are supplementary angles, meaning 40 plus C should give us 180 degrees. Therefore C is going to be 180 minus 40, which is 40 degrees. Then when it comes to question 2, we have three angles, so they are all in a straight line, so we'll use the same principle of saying 80 plus angle B plus 70 is 180. So 80 plus 70 is 150. So from here on, it's just solving for B. So B is 30 degrees. Now let's go to question 3. Question 3, we also have three angles, 37, 90 degrees, also in a straight line. So we'll say 30 plus 90 plus C is 180. So 37 plus 90 is 127. Then from here on it should be pretty much easy. So C is 53 degrees. And then question 4, both of these angles are supplementary. So 3D, in fact it's 3D, not 3B. So it's 3D plus 60 is 180. So D is equal to 40 degrees. Let's go to question 5. I hope now you get the picture. This is also supplementary angles. So here E is equal to 60 degrees. And then question C, we have two angles that are equal. Angle F, they are equal. Remember, this diagram is not drawn to sketch. It might not look like that. So in between you have 110. So you'll say F plus 110 plus F should give us 180. So these F, we can add them together. And then from here, should be straightforward. So 2F is equal to 70, dividing by 2 both sides, and then F is 35 degrees. Okay, let's go to question 7. So question 7 is quite different. This angle is 90. So these angles, all of them, they form a revolution. A revolution is 360 degrees. So basically we'll say 90 plus G plus 130 is 360, and 90 plus 130 would give us 220 plus G so G is equal to 140 degrees. Also for question 8, we have a full revolution situation. So we'll say solving for H and I, which are the two unknowns. We'd say 140 plus H plus 65 plus I should give us 360. And 140 plus 65 will give us 205. Then H plus I is equal to 360. Then we can take 205 to the right hand side. It will come as negative. Then H plus I is equal to 155. Right, so that's going to be equation number 1. So now remember, we can calculate angle I by saying, in fact, I'll show you the easier way. I think we might have taken the long route calculating for H and I. This one is the long route. I'll show you the quicker way of calculating H and I. So let's not fall for now for the full revolution thinking. You have to realize that H and this angle are in a straight line, so you'll say 140 plus H is 180, right? So you can just solve for H, no problem. So H here will be 40, right? So that's the easier way. And then you'll realize that I and 65 are on a straight line, so you'll say I is equal to 180 minus 65, right? So 180 minus 65 is 105, so it's 115. So that's it. So this is the easier way of doing it. Okay, let's go to question 9. Question 9, we have a revolution situation. So it's best to say 2J plus 4J plus 7J plus J plus 4J should give us 360. So 2 plus 4 is 6J plus 7 is 13J, 14J, 18J. So divide by 18 both sides, and then you find that J. 360 divided by 18, J is 20 degrees. So remember, we're dividing by 18, not 180. Okay, now let's do the final question for today. So this one will keep us thinking a bit. We'll apply a principle of vertically opposite angles. For instance, this is also equal to angle K. The reason is vertically opposite. This one is also equal to angle 3K. This one is angle 2K. So we can apply a full revolution here. We'll have 2K, which we have 2 of them, plus, so these are the 2Ks, and then 3K, which we have 3K, plus we have 2Ks, so we'll say 2K is equal to 360. So here is going to be 4k plus 6k plus 2k is 360. So 4 plus 6 plus 2 is 12. So we'll have 12k is 360. So it's 12k, so you divide by 12 both sides, find that k is equal to 30 degrees. So that's it. I hope you enjoy today's lesson. If you did enjoy, please hit the like button and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next lesson. Cheers.